Okay, you want to see a microwaveable? And here it is, a microwaveable from the Jimmy Dean. Okay, microwave. So, okay, we gotta. There we go. Perfect. Anyways, more instructions. 2 minutes, and we ignore the high because we don't want our microwave getting high or anything. All right, 2 minutes. Okay. Huh. Well. Okay. You got my first. We just need to wait for that thingy. I also made a lobotomy drink. I call it a lobotomy, but I mean, it's basically making rig juice, but in a different way from regular stuff. Nasty. Anyways. Okay. Okay. I forgot the instructions again. Okay. Peel. Stir. Hold on. How would I stir with one hand? I'll figure that out. Okay, I think that's well stirred. What's next? 1 minute. Okay. Usually I just put it for 1 minute, but recently I wanted the whole flavor, and I decided to pretend that, yeah, anyways. I was throwing that in the garbage. Well, anyways, to cope with misery, I'm gonna watch Young Sheldon. Because why not? Anyways, bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. You say bye. You say bye. Right, you right there. The one. You right there. You say bye. 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 Bye.